Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to open a Western Union bank account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have, when you click on these three lines, your history, settings, your receivers, etc., and the logout button. And in the middle of the screen, we have you here and you can go and send money. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and open a Western Union bank account. So firstly, install the Western Union Plus app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open the app and set up a password. Then enter your phone number and verify with a 6-digit code sent to you. Create a password and complete your biometric authentication, for example, fingerprint or facial recognition. Allow access to your phone camera and enable device location. Scan your ID document for different angles. Confirm the information you have provided, such as your name, date of birth, gender, and postal address. Then take a selfie in a good lighting. Fill out more details from your employment, preferences, and tax ID, and then click Submit to complete your application. Once your application is complete, you'll receive a notification from Western Union. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.